Welcome back to Paranormal Performance. About to pull down this Gen F Maloo. It left the factory with a LSA supercharged manual Gen F2 Maloo. At some point in its life that LSA engine's come out, not sure why, and someone's built a cast iron bottom end for it. Our customers then bought the car, brought it to us for some tuning, found the limits of the standard supercharger. We upsold the Harrop 2650 fully option kit. I mean, this dude got everything: the 115mm throttle body, the billet fuel rails, the Harrop lid, got the interchiller kit on it, big AI fuel system, 1650 injectors, big Harrop carbon fiber intake. Like, literally has everything you could get in the Harrop kit at the time when we bought it. 12 PK drive. So we put all that on, tuned it, seeing about 700 horsepower with wheel spin when we did that. Found that we were lifting the heads, too much boost. I think it was around 19 pound of boost. That caused some overheating issues to come. So customer took the vehicle for a bit. The overheating issues got a bit worse, so he's brought it back to us. We're gonna tear it down and look at that now and measure it up, see what it actually is. 6-litre stroker. Like, we have no idea. The customer has no idea what's been done to it. Get it cleaned up, all back together. We'll get it onto the dyno, tune it again, and see if we can get some better numbers now that we're hopefully not having those head gasket issues. Alrighty, so Zach's gone and pulled the heads off this Maloo for us. We found cylinder 1 had blown the head gasket out massively. You could actually see the melted head gasket blowing out of it. Every other cylinder had, you know, signs of carbon where it'd been bypassing the gasket. That's just from running so much boost in a 4-bolt head with a cometic gasket. It just couldn't really take those cylinder pressures, so it's just lifted the head and blown it out. It's not an uncommon thing to happen. Good thing we pulled it down. We found the lifters were pretty tired and noisy. We found 2 broken valve springs is one of the 2. The heads are now been sent out, decked. You get all the valve seats checked. When they come back, we put a full set of valve springs in it, some new Iski Johnson lifters. What else was it getting? The Vulcan head gaskets, new AOP head studs. Yeah, I think that was it. And then, yeah, all just new fluids and stuff, and then we'll get it to the dyno. But yeah, it's a good thing we pulled it down and found all the issues that we did. So that's it, all back together and running. Still got to get to the dyno, give it a degrease. We've just given it a service. We've got to put the cowling back in, stuff like that. But yeah, give it a clean up, do our last few checks and see if we can make a bit more power this time. Gonna run this Maloo up now. Zach's just pulled the heads off for us, upgraded a few components. You'll see through the video, broken valve springs, blew the head gaskets out. We've already tuned this car. It went about 700 horsepower with the broken springs and with blown head gaskets. So the tune should be pretty close, but we're just gonna run it up, see where it's at, see if we need to touch it up at all.